Good morning, everyone. I still have bedhead over here, but my name is Maria Dismondy. I am the founder and creator of this group, Empowering Kids with Character, and I'm coming to you live from my home in Michigan. We're getting ready to go enjoy the day, the morning, before I go to work this afternoon. But what I wanted to share with you today is our whole positive character trait this month has been on play. And one of the things that our kids really enjoy playing with is slime. So I'm going to turn it over to my 6-year-old, and we are going to teach you how to make a safe slime for your kids to play with at home. Here we go. All right, so what we need to make slime is the following. You are going to need some glue. I'm standing on my kitchen table right now, by the way. You're gonna need some glue, a spoon, a bowl. Oh, Leah, we forgot the contact solution. Will you run up in my bathroom and grab it? Yeah. It's under the sink. You're going to need baking soda, glue, a spoon. We like to add some fillings, like this is blue glitter. They actually have like little foam balls that you can add to slime, which is really fun. You can get those at like the craft store. I know. Jennifer, I see you tuning in. More slime. Jennifer, did you like the present we got your daughter for her birthday? Slime making kit. And then the other thing is we sometimes use lotion if your slime is not stretchy enough. So sometimes we use lotion. Okay, so then you also need contact solution. Okay, so first things first, Miss Leah, she put some glue into the bowl, and we're gonna put just a little bit more. And I like to buy on sale these large containers. I think I got this one for $15, and it's lasted us many, 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 many months. Now, Mr. Dismondy, my husband, has actually banned slime making in the home. So we're doing this for work purposes. I'm doing this to teach you guys. He wants us keeping it outside. I'm going to give you a warning because as the kids would wash their hands and clean up their slime messes, they did this in our bathroom. And my husband had to clean out the pipe, and it was filled with particles of slime. So that is the disclaimer. This should be done outside. You should use throwaway items so that you're not washing anything in the sink. Just get rid of everything in the garbage, recycle it so that you're not ruining your pipes. All right, Leah, so next thing, we're gonna put some baking soda in. Go ahead, dump just a smidge. Now, we don't measure things out over here. We just, a little bit more, honey. We just kind of go for it. My daughter Ruby taught me this, and now you're gonna start mixing it up. The other thing you can do is you can put food coloring in your slime. That definitely makes for messier slime, and we're not gonna do that today for you, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and just keep it to a white with a glitter, but you can add food coloring. We'll put a little bit more. Keep mixing it up, girl. Keep mixing it up. Now we're going to, what we're trying to get it to do is to make it a little bit sticky. That's what we're waiting for.
No, you put the contact solution.
Are you ready for the contact solution? So now we're gonna put a little bit of contact solution in it. Keep mixing it up real good, and you'll start to see, ladies and gentlemen, that it's gonna start sticking together. And once it starts, oh, here it goes. Once it starts sticking together, then you get to put it in your hands and knead it.
What about the...
Yep, you can go ahead and put some glitter in it. Go ahead. There we go, just kind of add some color to it. Another thing that you can add to slime are perler beads, and those are, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that my children and I are really into perler beads right now. So you can add those, and it will make it like a chunky slime. Just slime is, there's many different ways to do it. All right, so it's starting to get a little sticky. I'm gonna put a little bit more contact solution. So like I told you, we just do a little here, a little there. It's kind of how I cook. It's getting real sticky now. Mix it up, girl, mix it up.
And your hands get kind of dirty.
Your hands get kind of dirty when doing this. That is true. What do you think? Is it time to get it in your hands and start kneading it? Put a little bit of this, put a little bit of that. Now, if you put too much baking soda, it can make it really hard. Go ahead, keep mixing, honey. You want it to really come together. Now, our 9-year-old, who is the slime master, is not here today. She went to a friend's, and Leah is really on her way to developing her slime making skills. You're doing great, honey. All right, so I think it's time to get it in our hands and start kneading it. Go ahead.
Sticky.
Awesome.
Oh my gosh, I need some contact solution.
More contact solution? Okay, just put that in there. Back. There we go. This is what I'm talking about. Now, when you have a perfect slime, I'm going to tell you what happens when you have a perfect slime. You are able to clean up slime particles from your hands when you have the perfect sticky slime. Now, you are noticing, if you're just tuning in now, we are using safe ingredients. I know there are some slime recipes that use borax, but I've heard some horror stories of using the borax with children's skin. So we just use the school glue, baking soda, contact solution. Sometimes we might need to add, so if we added too much baking soda and this was not stretchy, we would add a little bit of lotion to make it stretchy. So that's our solution to making it stretchier. It actually makes it smell pretty good. So thanks for those of you tuning in. We've got a good slime going on here. The other thing I will tell you, friends, and if you are just tuning in, my name's Maria Dismondy. I'm the founder of this group. I'm sitting on my kitchen table to get a good view for you on making slime. And we are focused on play. So if you have another recipe for slime that has safe ingredients, please post it below. I'd love to see it. Again, we don't really use measurements, but as you saw in the video, we just did a little here, a little there. Look at that fantastic slime. Now, I do want to give you one more tip. I bought these trays off Amazon several years ago. They are lunch trays. I think I got a pack of 6. They are perfect for crafts. So we are sitting at the kitchen table right now. It contains the messes. It contains the messes all in one place, especially if we're doing painting or perler beads and your perler bead project falls apart, you're not going to lose all the beads onto the floor. So these are a staple in our home, and we really enjoy those. So thank you everyone for tuning in. This is a slime making project, and it really does create hours of play. But like I said, we're trying to kind of stick to slime outside these days because we did have some problems with our pipes in our bathroom sink from the kids cleaning up their slime messes. So that's the disclaimer if you're just tuning in. All right, thanks so much everyone. Have a great day.